Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. Today is day 3 of FACEMASKTOBER and we are going to be testing out the Vitamin C Boost 2-Step Skin System. And this is by Nature from New Zealand, so it says it's made in New Zealand. It is a 2-step refreshing sheet mask. It says it brightens and refreshes with vitamin C, E, and A to recharge skin's radiance. 98% natural, no parabens or nasty chemicals, and no animal testing. Give dull skin a vitamin boost with this 2-step skin system infused with refreshing vitamin C and smoothing collagen to awaken skin while giving a well-desired dose of antioxidants and hydration. Step 1, pre-mask vitamin C peptide. For best results, thoroughly clean the skin with warm water and pat dry. So I've done that already. It says open peptide section and squeeze onto fingertips, work into skin, focusing on areas of concern and allow the peptide to absorb. Step 2 is the refreshing sheet mask. It says give your mask sachet a squeeze. Is that how you say that? S-A-C-H-E-T, sachet? Yes. Give it a squeeze to evenly disperse the contents, then tear open. Remove the mask backing and gently place the mask onto your face, smoothing to ensure a nice close fit. Sit back, relax, and let the goodness of the mask condition and hydrate your skin for the next glorious 10 minutes. Discard your mask, clean the skin with warm water, and pat dry for extra hydration. For an extra hydration hit, gently pat the excess mask serum into skin instead of washing away. So I'll probably do that instead of washing it away. I was wearing my glasses all day because my contacts have been bothering me, but I don't want to wear my glasses for this video because of the glare. So I'm like, I can't read. I can't read either way, but I brought my scissors with because I'm just going to cut this top part off here. I really can't see. So the peptide stuff is up in the top. Ooh. Okay, that's a lot. Let's just do half first, and then we'll do the other half. That smells really good. Still got a whole bunch more in there. Do they just think people have bigger faces than they actually do, or they just put an extra just in case? I don't know what to do with... Still more in there. I think I got it all out now. It says allow the peptide to absorb. So I'm going to fan my face for a little bit. So you're supposed to like work it all in, I guess. So I'm going to cut this open too because of the struggle that I had the other day getting that one open. Okay, so this looks like a maxi pad. Seriously. There it is. I'm guessing that I take this thing off first if I remember correctly. looks like Jason right there. I'm gonna go scare the cat. I think there's still a little bit in here. Okay, there's still a lot of it in there. All that was still in there. And we're going to set our timer for 10 minutes. So she's counting down. We'll be back in 10 minutes. I'm going to go scare the cat now. Okay, so we are back. It has been the 10 minutes and I am ready to take this face mask off. Okay, so it says for extra hydration hit, gently pat the excess mask serum into skin instead of washing away. So it says you're supposed to pat. Oh, there's still a lot on there. Oh, man. I don't understand the patting. Like, I get it's supposed to be better for your skin, but I would literally be doing this all night if I sat here and pat. Plus, I feel like I'm hitting myself in the face. So, we are just going to gently massage it into the skin. Plus, when you go get your facials done, they don't sit there and pat you. They massage your skin. Okay, so we have it all massaged into my skin. And I'm just reading here. So it says vitamin C is filled with properties the skin can benefit from, such as evening out skin tones and improving hydration. As a natural antioxidant, vitamin C helps to reduce inflammation and promotes healthy collagen production. These benefits help keep skin looking refreshed and radiant for longer. The peptide, the hexapeptide used in our pre-mask helps to regenerate the skin, promoting a glowing, more youthful appearance. So, because I can't see right now, I'm going to hold the mirror up and take a look, and I'll let you know what I think. Okay, so after inspecting my skin here, I'm definitely going to say I do feel hydrated. I do feel glowy and radiant. Just to remind you, we do still have that serum on my skin, so that definitely helps out with that. I feel like my face is tight, but not like in an uncomfortable way. Like, I feel like everything is like lifting kind of, so I think that the toning, and I do feel like my skin tone is a little bit even. It's not great. I do have quite a bit of acne scarring right now that hopefully will go down, so I got some redness from that. And yeah, I think overall I definitely like this mask. I know that if you were to continue to use something like this or with vitamin C in it, it would definitely help out with evening out the tone of your skin. To conclude, I do think that this mask was a lot of fun. So even though it's only a 10-minute mask, it is a 2-step process. So that first step does take a little bit of time because it does say to let that absorb into your skin before you put on the sheet mask. But overall, it doesn't take a lot of time to do this mask, and I really enjoyed it. I think the results are really good. If you were to continue to use something like this, I definitely think you would start to see results. So that is everything for this video. If you've tried out this mask or if you're going to try it out, please comment down below. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. That way you don't miss out on my future videos. And until tomorrow's next FACEMASKTOBER video, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody.